This is our 2024 previous year question paper of Telangana State Board, and we are going to see this paper. So in the Monday examination, like which is our next English examination, the paper will be same. How is the 2024 this previous year paper same as is the 2025 the model paper will be. Okay, so don't worry about it. Let's see the paper. So when you see this paper here, it is the paper is 80 marks, 20 marks you will get from your school, and this paper 80 marks divided into two parts. That's writing summary and whatever it is, writing purpose for 60 marks, and 20 marks for the objectives, or you can say MCQ questions. Okay, so the first question you will get here, that is the passage. Okay, you have to read this following passage, and when you read this passage you have to attain the 3 or 4 questions. Like here it is given 4 questions, first, second, third and fourth. Okay, so you have to attain these questions. Okay, right after that you have to read the following passage. Actually this is a conversation between Abel, Ben and Henry, Mr. Jordan, Mr. Selter. Okay, like something, it is a conversation, and when you read this conversation, then you have to just go through when you have then you have to just go through that. Actually sometimes the slip of tongue will be happen because when you're speaking up then it will happen. Okay, so this is fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth you have to attend. Okay, how it was same as it is the paper will be, but the pattern will be same, but the question will be different. They will provide you passage, but this passage is from dear departed. The passage will come from the attitude is altitude. From that chapter also the passage will have to come. Okay, so we cannot say. Okay, because it is depend on the person who said the English paper. It is not depend them also. They go and they just make a paper. There is 100, or you can say there is a 20 or 30 teachers who said the English paper. They give their importance question. They provide their they say it like that paper. 20 or 30 paper will be like that, and in that paper when there is a 2 or 3 person who choose the what type of question you have to select from these 20 teachers, and they select the question, then they make the one question paper, and then question paper transferred into the different sets like sets A, sets B. Okay, so this will be happen. Okay, well, so this is your question. You have to attend 4 questions which carry 2 marks. And ninth question, what does the table show? How many batsmen information is given in the table? Okay, what is score or the highest run? Actually you have to see the graph and then you have to be attend these questions. Okay, 13 questions. It is a grammatical question. Okay, so here it is a grammar is starting from here side. Okay, if I tell you in generally, if you want to get 10 by 10 in English, it is very easy. Just you have to do 2 things. First of all, read the all chapters. Read the chapter. When you read your English textbook, whole textbook you have to read, because tomorrow is Sunday. In Sunday, don't do anything. Just read the chapter. When you read your chapter, you will get idea about every topic. And then what you have to do, you have to be practice the grammars. In grammar, don't go as much. Just practice the adjective, noun, and that's preposition and adverb and verb. This 2 to 4 5 is there. You have to prepare 5 definitely. I'm telling you, and little bit there is always grammar, so you have to practice. Definitely you will get a good marks in that. Okay, right, so let's come to the another part. So this is a 14 is here. Lesson is given environment, and more thing in English I want to say that you have to be an idea about a diary or notes, or if you have to know about the letter writing or application, then it is very good. You are a good student, because in 11th class also there is a no application and diary, but it is necessary. Okay, because I write exam in Telangana also, and East India also. So there is a paper of English. They create the paper very tough, and the English paper have a lot of grammar parts, and they give me in the 10th class when I write the East India, in the East India I write the exam. So there is a paper of English. In that, English essay is also there, application is also there, or you have a choice between application. If you want to write application, write. If you want to write later, then you can write. In this both you can choose anyone, but essay is compulsory there. So that will happen. So actually for that purpose, that is total 15 marks for that. Okay, so this is our well, for any purpose, if you say our Telangana board is very easy, and it is not more tough for the student who has studied well. Okay, so don't worry about it, your examination will go very interesting and very easy, and I hope you will know about your paper. This is a 2024 paper, and I hope the 2025 paper will be easy for you. You will attend all the question, and best of luck for your English examination.